Today I'm learning how to cook Lauki Chana Dal. I'm Ben, I'm here with my friend Dart. The first thing is this very interesting vegetable called a bottle gourd. Actually, it's got a bunch of names. Lauki, and I'm sure I'm mispronouncing all this, forgive me. Gia, Duty, and even some other names. And when I was in the Indian grocery store, I didn't think I'd even find it. It was such a wild looking fruit, but you couldn't miss it. It is a summer squash. And I asked the woman, is this the same thing as Lauki? Because it said duty. And she said, well, this is duty. And that's probably a language that I don't speak. We tried peeling just a little piece of it, but we have to peel this. We have to cut it into 1-inch cubes. So chana dal split chickpeas. And we let them soak. Was it 1 cup or half cup? Half cup, yeah, soak for 30 minutes. I don't know if I can do this without spilling it. They're just in the bowl. And since you watched me learn how to cut onions for about 8 minutes last time, we cut the onions. However, the tomato was a disaster in video 1. So Dart's going to show me how to chop a tomato.
For the tomato, you just need a really sharp knife. I don't know how sharp.
Not that sharp, sorry.
Kind of similar to an onion. I like to just make some slits in it. Cut all the way down, but not going through the back. Just make some, however small you want it, you make them closer together. So then you have a bunch of, cuts through it. Then you turn it sideways and do the same thing the other side. Very similar to the onion. And if a tomatoes are very soft, so you have to be careful.
Yeah, I think I just mushed it into mush last time.
And just start gently slicing through.
Oh, wow, look at that.
So you get the little pieces. Have you ever tried the heirloom tomatoes?
No, I don't know what that is.
Heirloom, if you ever go to the grocery store, the heirlooms, they're not completely round. They have little, kind of wavy. It's the heirloom is the breed of tomatoes when they were first created. These are all hybrid tomatoes. But the first tomatoes that were grown, the original tomatoes are called heirloom.
Like God made them, like with Adam and Eve?
I guess you could say that.
I think it's time to actually start peeling this thing. Dart talked me into getting this peeler. You can't mess this up, right?
Yeah, just
okay.
Do it. There you go.
Yeah.
There we go. This way.
Oh, okay. It just goes straight down.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I just wonder.
Slice it right in half.
Wow, there it is. Okay, so to cut this thing in 1-inch pieces, how do you think?
Cut it down in the middle.
Just down right here?
Yeah. Scoop out the seeds with the.
Oh, that's right. I forgot that step. I'm glad you said that.
It's similar to a lot of other squash.
So you actually de-seed squash like this?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, show me.
Actually reminds me of a cucumber. It's like a big cucumber.
Okay.
Cut it I would cut it
in strips, kind of.
And then
you want to do one to show me, and I'll do the other one.
I would probably. And then just.
Nice. Okay, so 1. Dart talked me into getting a garlic press.
You just stick the garlic pieces in there. You're gonna fit, and then scoop it out. It pushes it right out. But see, you take this part, you just cut it off. I've never tried ginger in there.
Let's see what happens. I'm a little bummed out. Okay, this is my first time using an Instapot or any pressure cooker. We press the button that says saute. It's warming up. It took a few seconds and beeped, and then it said on. And I don't know why. I felt like the light moved to normal. I don't know. Was that my imagination?
I think, well, normal saute.
Normal
For
saute.
temperature.
Okay, for temperature wise. Okay, so we can actually treat this like it's a pan, right?
Right.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna use a ghee. Got the metal spoon this time, so no more plastic spoon. Oh, so much nicer, yeah. Beautiful. Okay, I got the ghee in there. This thing's got hot. It got hot fast. Ginger and garlic. So again, they just said 1 tablespoon. They didn't say whether, but we're just gonna put it all in. So onion next.
Okay.
Okay. Cook till it changes color. Wow, this thing's really going. This thing is awesome. Okay, cook until soft, I think is the next one. Garam masala. Okay. Yeah, I don't know why you use one over another in terms of the round or the oval.
You know, when you cook stuff like this, you taste it the way you cook it. And if you wanted more spice, then you add more.
What do you think the best thing about it is?
I just heard it has a lot of anti-inflammatory benefits. And
Okay, and then it's the Chana Dal, 1/2 cup. So I did read on the internet that the reason you soak it is because this would take longer to cook than the other ingredients. So you soak it, and I guess it just makes it a little easier. And then we need the 1.5 cup of water. And now is the time for the pressure. Did you throw a whole garlic in there? So it turns, you put it down. Okay, got it. Venting, sealing, pressure. Well, there's pressure cook, but there's also pressure level. Okay, so we had to turn it off before we had to do that, okay.
I've only used this once.
And we're gonna go 10 minutes. And I think we did want pressure level high, which I know on the video they said a medium, but we saw on the internet a lot of people said high, so we're just gonna go high.
There we go.
Okay, so using this was a little counterintuitive. We pressed a button, it beeped, it seemed like it was pressure cooking. Dart set it for 11 minutes, and then all of a sudden it beeps like an Atari console, and then it starts the 11-minute countdown. There's 1 minute left. This is the thing you turn. Whoa! Is that's how you do it?
Yeah.
Oh, cancel. Cancel? Well, stop. Okay. So turn this to the left. It's not going to steam burn me?
No, just don't go right over.
So we've got L, it still has 1 on there. I wonder what the 1 is. Is that 1 minute until the pressure? I have to read the manual. So here we go. Wow. All right.
Stir it up first.
Stir it up, okay. All right. Trying to get the juice out. I mean, it looks good. It looks like just a warm comfort food.
Wow, that's delicious.
Great.
Wow. Ben, that was really good.
Thanks, Dart. Thanks for coming over. Thanks for the Instapot. You're gonna let me hold on to this for a while, right?
Yeah.
It's yours whenever you want it back. So we had some new tools, new techniques, new vegetables, and we made a really, really cool Indian dish that, even though it has a lot of the same spices, it really just has a very different character than the other 2. And we have 3 more to finish up this Veggie India House series. And so we're gonna keep going. Over and out.